guys, welcome back to Gypsyfae Creations. I'm Tiara.
And I'm Kate.
In today's video, Kate is going to make some soap, right?
Yeah.
We're going to show you how easy it is to make some soap in beds. If you guys have seen any of my previous videos, like way back, when I first started making soap, Kate made a little appearance and she's back for more. So, wasn't that bad, was it?
No, not
Alright,
at all.
let's get started. Alright, some materials that you will need. I've got some melt and pour. This is what I like to make all my embeds out of, besides soap dough, because this is really easy. If you have silicone molds, this is a low sweat melt and pour base, because I don't like the little moisture droplets that end up on your embeds. It's just an awful look. You can use any silicone mold you want. This is actually an ice cube tray. You can use candy molds, chocolate molds. It's the endless ideas. I've got the micas that we're going to color this with. I've got just a little container that I can put the soap in and microwave it, and I like chopsticks for mixing. A knife to cut the melt and pour, a spoon for the mica. Pretty simple. Get over here, Kate.
Okay.
So we're going to start with melt and pour first.
Okay.
We're going to chop some of this up. You're going to chop some of this up. See if we can get it out of here first. I should have done this before.
No. I mean, they really get to see the process with this.
Well, it's always different because some melt pours are a little easier to get out. Alright, so just like try and chop like a half of a quarter, I guess.
Like,
we'll start there, yeah.
Yeah.
Without cutting yourself.
I've gotten better with that recently.
Alright, and then we're going to chop that into smaller pieces and put it in there.
All right.
So the next step is you're going to go put that in the microwave for about, start with like 20 seconds.
All right.
Move that up a little bit.
Okay.
There you go. Alright, take that chopstick and stir it. Make sure everything is melted in there.
All right.
Like all the lumps are out. And then you can take that little green spoon there and take about 1 heaping teaspoon of that and put it in there. And this is just a little sparkly.
I like the sparkly.
I don't like to put too much sparkly in men's soap, but a little sparkly doesn't hurt.
Hey, even guys can be fabulous.
That's good.
All
And
right.
then put a little, about half a teaspoon of that. That's activated charcoal, and it's also good for color, and it's good for your skin. It has great benefits.
Oh,
It's like
another
2
bag
bags
in there. Bag
Anything
section.
to keep the mitts. Oh, look, there's a spoon in there for you. Look at that.
Is there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, there is. This
Little bit less than that.
Aw. Okay, why is this so difficult? Hang on.
That's good.
Okay.
And then stir it.
All right.
And make sure you scrape all the sides down, because a lot of that's going to start sticking to the sides. How's it look?
It looks.
Does it look all like
Black and
incorporated and
sparkly.
stuff? Alright, now you can pour it into the mold. So move the mold over so everyone can see it.
Okay. Doesn't matter where the chopstick goes.
Nope, you can just,
All right.
there you go.
All right.
And just,
That
you
came
pour,
out a
you can
lot
you can just
faster.
pour a little bit into each one, and if you have extra, just go back over.
Oh, what the heck? I'm
You
sorry.
can get a little closer to it.
Okay. I'm so sorry. Aha! Oh,
You'll get better with it the more you do it, I guess.
yes. Shaky hands.
Don't be nervous.
Can't help it, man. Got all these viewers and stuff. And...
Don't want to mess up my channel.
Sorry.
No,
Did I
just
break
go
it?
back with what you have, and you can just fill up them a little more.
Alright. I told one of my coworkers that I'd be making fabulous soap with you today.
Oh, is she a subscriber to my channel?
She will be.
Is she going to watch us when she knows you're in it?
I don't know. I don't know if she likes me. I don't know if she wants to see me outside of work.
Aw.
But that's okay.
Alright. And once all those are filled up, we're gonna let them sit. You can let them sit for as long as you want. You can even pop them in the freezer for like 10 minutes and there you go. And then they'll be easier and to pop out and they'll harden up faster. So let's do it.
Alright. Oh.
Have fun with that.
Getting it out?
Yep. So I'm gonna
You don't want to hold it up here with my face.
see if you can get them out.
Alright. Are we back on?
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I like to do is I kind of like to pull the
Oh.
sides off of them and then you can just pop them out like that.
Your way is much easier than mine. Oh. Sorry, guys. I really like to look at what I'm doing. Gonna separate the sides here and then pop. And then we're gonna do it again. It's like giving birth to a little soapy. Little soap stash.
Push!
Yes. Oh, should probably keep holding this down. Okay.
You got this.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do they look like?
Little mustaches. See? Look at these little guys. Aren't they cute? I'm making the mustache.
Perfect.
Yes.
So they even have some little sparklies in there.
I like that.
Cool. Alright, I'm just going to set them aside in here
Okay.
so that we can actually use them in some soap.
Sounds good to me.
Ta-da!